Have you ever wondered what makes things move or why they stop? The answer is a fundamental concept in physics: force.
First clip, riding a bike. When riding a bike, we use frictional force, normal force, and muscular force. Friction helps the tires grip the road and move the bike forward. Second clip, pulling a door. When we pull a door, we use muscular force with our hand. The force we apply makes the door move. Third clip, carrying a table. When lifting a table, we use muscular force to hold it up. Friction between our hands and the table helps us keep a firm grip. Third clip, walking up the stairs. When walking upstairs, friction and normal force help us move and keep our balance so we don't slip. Fifth clip, moving trees and vehicles. The wind applies a resistance that moves the trees. Vehicles also experience friction between their tires and the road to keep moving safely.